To make a matzah cake for this upcoming holiday. I'm dedicating this matzah cake for my grandmother and our family. So first you need 1 cup of sugar. You pour it in a bowl, and then you need 3 eggs, sour cream, and butter, and vanilla. So first what you need to do is you take half of this jar, and you put it on top of the sugar. So what you gotta do, dig in and put it right on top of the sugar. Okay, just like that.
Oh.
Okay, and then you need to smash the butter just like that with the sugar. Keep smashing until it breaks down. You can't use a blender, because if you use a blender, then it's gonna be too smooth. You need it to be thick. So you mix the butter, keep mixing it with the sugar. Please don't go on top.
How much?
You see what I'm doing? You gotta smash everything. Just keep smashing the butter with the sugar. Keep smashing and smash until you get it really smooth. And when you break down the butter with the sugar, then you take 3 eggs, but you can only use the yellow yolk, not the white.
Yeah, please.
And this cake, you're not gonna bake it. You're gonna leave it on the table for 3 hours, which is gonna make the matzah mushy and soft. And then after, when it becomes mushy, you could put any topping you like. You can put kiwi, or you can put almonds, or walnuts, whatever you like. Any topping you like, as long as it's kosher for Passover, then everything will be great. So you see now I smushed everything, and it's a little bit better. Now once I'm gonna put the yellow yolk, it's gonna be smoother and it's gonna break down faster. But don't ever use a blender. You see what you gotta do is you break this just like that, and get the yellow, and the white goes in the plate. Throw it in there. Next, same thing, you know, get this in. You see, guys? And now once I'm gonna mix it all together, it's gonna be smoother. So for 1 cake you have 6 layers of matzah. You lay them out, then you put the cream on top. We're gonna show you how that's done. You see now, look, I mix all together, break it, you see, look. And now it's becoming smoother. And as soon as it all mixes in good, real good, then you have to put 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar, or a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I didn't have the vanilla extract, so I'm gonna use now 2 small spoons. Where's the other spoon? Here, give me that.
This one, no, this one's clean. That is clean.
Small, a little bit, just a drizzle to give it that flavor. And now we're gonna mix it all in again. See? And once everything's together, all mixed real well, Then we're gonna add the sour cream. But you need first to break down the sugar. You see, just like that.
What smells?
You see how it smells? Aroma, right? It smells good now. You smell it?
Delicious.
Delicious?
It smells delicious. It smells like
Smell it, smell it. Mmm, good, huh?
It's like
See how it looks nice?
it looks like
I broke it down.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna need to put one of this, the sour cream,
Wait a minute.
and
One?
throw it all in.
The
See?
whole thing?
Yeah. Throw it all in.
Yeah, because
And the cream is almost ready. It's very quick. You can make this. Anybody can do this. Right, guys? Even you guys can do it, right?
I already know the ingredients.
They already know it.
I know it.
Now you take the sour cream, mix it with that quick, and break down real quick. Now, if you cannot mix this with a blender also, because the blender is gonna make this too smooth, and it's not gonna hold on the matzah cake. But as you can see now, see, it's breaking down. I'm breaking down.
True.
See,
Evidence. Proof.
it's gonna be really, really smooth. See, just break it down, and now you can go faster. And just make sure you break everything down.
Delicious.
It smells nice, huh? It's all mixed. Now, what I do is I prepare them. I take one layer.
What? One layer? Now you chop it down.
Like that.
Now you chop
And you
it down.
take and you take 1 spoon like this
Yeah.
and break it down.
Should we eat it?
No, you can't eat it right now. It's not ready.
Oh.
Guys, look, you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, I already know the
Now,
ingredients.
and then this is like almost like Napoleon matzah cake. It's a Napoleon style because it's layers. Please don't play with that. Look, you go like that. We're almost done. This is the first layer, see?
We need 2 layers?
No, you need 6.
What?
6. You know how to count?
Sure thing.
Look, then you take this. You
Take
put it
a-
on top,
it's like
just
a
like
cake.
that. Just like that.
It's like a cake.
And
That's
then-
why it's called matzah cake.
Yeah.
And that's...
You see, you mix it. You put it like that. And make sure it doesn't move too much, because then you can lose it. See? See? And we got, and after 3 hours, once it sits, it becomes very soft, very sweet, nice and
Four more layers
smooth.
to go.
And you don't need to bake this. It's really good for the holidays. Easy to make.
It is already easy, I can tell.
This is the 3rd layer, right?
I know that I can count.
See? Easy, right?
I already know the ingredients. Just the egg pasta.
Look how fast I'm making it. You can do this when you have guests, somebody coming over. And then you put it in the fridge.
Second one, fourth layer.
Can you please move the other
This
side?
is the fourth layer. Too much to go if we finish this.
How many got? We got 4.
Too much to go if you
4.
finish this. Again, I said.
Look, it's almost done.
Not almost. Ooh.
Okay?
I think I know why it's 6 layers. Because for 6 layers, there's enough.
Look how nice it is. Smell. Smells good.
I think I know it.
But you know, you can't eat it now, right?
Yeah.
How many hours do you have to wait?
3.
3 hours.
That's like in the morning.
Tomorrow it's gonna be ready.
In the morning.
And then we put it in the fridge
Tomorrow.
to chill it. We put it in the fridge to make
How
it
much?
for like an hour or 2 hours to make it cold. And then we can put any topping you like.
Okay.
I can even do the topping now. I'm gonna show you with the kiwi.
No.
It's gonna look beautiful.
No. Oh.
Or banana, whatever you like. You could put strawberries.
Banana strawberry. No. Disgusting.
Okay, one more.
Banana strawberry. No, one more. And then we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one.
Okay, and then
There is a reason I'm looking.
we put, this is the last one.
No, it's not the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah.
6. See?
Um,
Almost done.
oh, good thing. I think
Don't forget, we're recording. This is how to do a matzah cake for Passover.
Make sure to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Benny channel, Benny Ashurov channel, and to check all my videos. And if you like this cake and have any more questions, you can comment me on my channel. Thank you very much.